In this video, you'll learn how to set up a self-directed IRA LLC with Madison Trust and Broad Financial. To create an IRA LLC, you'll first open a self-directed IRA with Madison Trust by completing our easy application. To upgrade your self-directed IRA and gain checkbook control, you'll also complete an online application for Broad Financial, our sister company and IRA LLC facilitator. You can roll over funds from an existing retirement account like a standard IRA or 401k, or make an initial contribution to fund your new self-directed IRA. Broad Financial will create a specialized IRA LLC for your self-directed IRA. You will then open a bank account in your IRA LLC's name at the bank of your choice. Once your IRA LLC checking account is ready to accept funds, you'll provide an investment authorization form to Madison Trust, and we'll send the funds to your checking account. To invest, you'll simply write a check or send a wire from your IRA LLC's dedicated checking account. Your self-directed IRA LLC gives you the highest level of control over your investment decisions while also providing tax advantages. Ready to get started? Call us today. Experience exceptional service for your exciting investment opportunities at Madison Trust.